Hello, everyone. I'm just a regular person from Latvia. Nobody knows me. I play video games, study, work, and so on. I really enjoy shooter games, and especially battle royale games. I used to play APEX Legends before, so I more or less know some of the mechanics. But I got bored of Apex, and now I'm playing Warzone. I decided to record my progress as I learn and slowly become a pro, or at least a decent player. This account hasn't even been playing Warzone for a day yet, and this account will grow together with you all, and so will I. I'm making these videos on Xbox One, but in the future I plan to switch to Xbox One S, so the quality will improve. For now, it's just like this. Well, I've introduced myself and gone over the video rules too. So I wish you a great day, and thank you for watching.
Changing mag. Requesting. Changing mag.
As you can see in the first 3 games, my aim is pretty terrible. You might be asking, why do you have so many kills but only show a few? Well, I've been playing against both bots and real players. I only make clips from matches with real players or sometimes just to fill the empty spots. Later on, I'll obviously switch to other game modes, but for now, this is a good way to level up my weapons and learn how to control them. So, let's see how I do next.
Changing mag!
Losing ground. Moving.
This is the end of the first day. Over the course of these matches, I've already managed to make some progress and even won my first game. Yes, it's a mode where there are also bots, but I did get to play against real people too. As you probably noticed, this isn't my real voice. It's AI generated since I don't speak English yet and I'd like to stay anonymous for now. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much if you watched until the very end.